Yeah, it's KT. I feel like I gotta preach for a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Just a little bit. Feel like the ribbon and shit. Yeah, feel me? Tell 'em, hell yeah, I'm that moan boy. Yeah, this is my grind, better watch your tone, boy. Watch it, you the type to talk shit about your own boys. All I got is family, I ain't got no homeboys. Sneak dissing haters, yeah, I see you. I don't fuck with you, because you see through. Do it on my own, dog, I don't need you. Never bite the hand that's gonna reach out and feed you. If a nigga wanna eat, he better earn a plate. Earn it, you don't know KT, you gon' learn a day. Pow, I don't talk shit, I'm not the type to judge. You know I got the heat, watch me light 'em up. Pow, flip and work, like an acrobat. Yeah, stay working, that's in my habitat. If you keep it 100, then I fucks with you. If you keep it 100, then I fucks with you. Keep it real with the same cats I grew with. If you a real boss, you ain't gotta prove shit. Why the fuck you hating? What you bitching for? That ain't your girlfriend, so what you tripping for? Same cats down with you, be the first to hate. So much money going around, watch it circulate. Why you worried about me? Better get you some. I think he getting mad cause he ain't getting none. Hold up, stop a minute. Rap game ain't shit if I ain't hop up in it. You hear me knocking, better let me in. Oh, black chick said she love my yellow skin. Oh, I go baloney when I spit. No, I would never flex on my homies for a bitch. Pull up on the scene, like what it do, bro? Might shake your hand, don't mean we cool, bro. See I make moves, I don't sit around. No, quick to serve a hype, I'm quick to flip a pound. I be doing me, why they steady talking? I ain't gotta boss up, cause I'm ready bossing. Boss, fake niggas hating,